Save time by utilizing dozens of ready-to-use email sequence templates designed for sales, marketing, e-commerce, business development, as well as vertical applications in recruiting and more. Email sequence templates enables teams across all departments to work faster, smarter, and ensure consistency. In this video, we'll introduce you to the concept of message sequence templates, specifically tailored to your industry. We'll explore how these customized templates can help you streamline your communication, maintain a professional tone, and ensure that no important details are ever overlooked. Let's dive in. To get started, visit your Sequence tab and click New Templates. You'll see a list of templates tailored to your industry, including marketing, sales, and e-commerce. Let's make a new sequence using one of these templates as a starting point. Each one will have an overview, message actions, and global conditions. Message actions are messages that automatically send to contacts enrolled in a sequence, and global conditions are overarching rules that influence the behavior of the entire sequence. All of these elements are customizable. If none of the templates look like a good fit, you can start from scratch by customizing your own sequence. Let's use an e-commerce post-sales message template as an example. We can now rename the sequence and choose whether it should be private or public to the team. When ready, click Create New Sequence. You can quickly review the message actions, conditions, and delays, as well as global conditions to ensure it reflects the process you go through when engaging a contact. If some of the actions are a little different, then you can edit, remove, or add a new action. Let's edit the first message in the sequence by clicking the pencil icon. Nimble will provide a generic email template that can be modified. Make sure to read the message thoroughly and alter any words that may be in brackets. You can add more merge tags, insert links, customize fonts, and much more. If you like this message and want to use it in the other message forms in Nimble, then you can save it by choosing Save as Template under Editor's Commands. If you prefer to use an alternative message, you can delete the generic message and insert your own from scratch, or choose from one of your saved templates. Make sure to save the message to keep any changes you've made. In the sequence template, there will also be conditions and wait for conditions. To edit these, just click and choose the pencil icon. Conditions act as checkpoints in the sequence, checked before moving forward or exiting the contact. You'll be able to choose the condition that will trigger either progressing the contact to the next stage in the sequence or exiting them as unsuccessful if the condition is not met within a specified time period. Clicking on Add will allow you to insert additional delays, conditions, wait for conditions, and messages into your sequence. For example, if you want to add another message to encourage the e-commerce contacts to stay in touch, you can click Message Actions, name the step, and either create the message from scratch or insert an existing template. You can then add a delay or wait for condition to pause the sequence for a certain amount of hours or days. Add as many delays, conditions, and messages as you need to ensure your sequence follows your desired process. Additionally, you can alter your global conditions, removing existing conditions and adding new ones. Once you've completed your steps, click Publish to activate the sequence and begin adding contacts. The new sequence will now appear under your My Sequence list, and you can choose it to monitor its performance, modifying it to ensure it delivers on the results you need. Stay tuned, as there's much more in store for email sequences. Exciting updates are on the horizon, including the ability to automatically integrate web form leads into your email sequences, enhancing your communication and lead management capabilities. For more information, search Sequence Templates on support.nimble.com or write us at care@nimble.com. Cheers!